Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I'm going to share with you my Ulta haul. So I had a 20% off coupon, and there are a couple things I needed to repurchase, a couple of fun things I picked out. So if you're interested in what I purchased from Ulta, then keep watching. So like I mentioned, there are certain things that I needed more of and certain things that I just kind of threw in here. So let's get in and see what it is that I got. So this first thing was one of the main reasons why I did my purchase. This is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo, and it is my favorite dry shampoo. I definitely think it is worth the money. Doesn't leave the white cast in my hair, smells really good, and it just makes my hair feel super clean. I actually used it today and I really like the way it made my hair feel. So I really love this stuff and always need a backup. The next product, which is another kind of must-have I needed to get, was the Redken. This is the All Soft Heavy Cream, and this is my favorite conditioner for my hair. I love it way better than a lot of conditioners I've been trying. I do like to go back and forth with the Suave every now and then, but my hair just drinks this stuff up. Leaves my hair feeling super soft, not tangly, anything like that. It's really good for dry, brittle hair, especially in the winter time, so I did need to pick up another one of those. I saw this and haven't tried this scent before, but this is the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. The scent I got is Vanilla Cookie, which is perfect for the winter time. It says the active ingredient is colloidal oatmeal, and I really like, I think the best lotion for my hands and body is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. So I wanted to try this and see if it would be good for a hand cream. So we will actually open this now. So it's a rich whipped enrollment that hydrates deep down. So I hope that is true. Wintertime just like kills my hands. Like you can see, my knuckles just look like I got in a fight with somebody, so I like to have something like this on hand all over my house, in the car, where have you. This is what it looks like. It's a pretty thick cream, and I like to just rub the back of my hands together to get my main palms, knuckles, things like that first, and then I go in and get it in between the fingers. So the scent is not super strong. I can barely smell it. It just kind of smells like the original First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Yeah, I can't smell it. It's not super strong, like super sickeningly sweet or anything like that. So I'll keep using that, let you guys know, but that's probably my favorite hand cream that I have found does the best job for me personally. So I grabbed that one, wanted the Vanilla Cookie scent. Then I saw a set of these eyeliners. These are the NYX Diamond and Ice Please liner set, and I like to switch it up sometimes with liner, things like that, especially 2020. Like, just do fun looks at home. It's pretty fun. So this has a couple of different eyeliners. It looks like it's the Epic Wear. It doesn't look like they're the liquid liners. It's the regular pencil eyeliners. So there is this purple one, which is really pretty. Ooh, it has some glitter to it. This is in the color Magenta Shock, right there. There's a black one. There's also a silver one. The silver one's really pretty. And I personally haven't used these eyeliners before, so I'm excited to play with them more. This is in the shade Silver Lining. There is this really pretty blue in Blue Trip, and then there is a white in Pure White, and I'll show you guys that black real quick too. I should have done this before the hand cream, but here, the white is pretty white. Here we go, the white, and then I'll show you guys the black one. But these were on a pretty good deal. It was a nice set. I like getting sets for the Christmas time too. Better bang for your buck. There's the black one right there. So a nice kind of set. It was $30. It may have been more on sale too when I purchased this, but I did pick them up to play with, something fun. I got another mascara. I'm currently using the Charlotte Tilbury Push Up Lashes mascara. I saw this one. This is a newer mascara from Maybelline. It's the Sky High mascara. I definitely am one to get waterproof, so I did get the waterproof in the color Very Black. So I will share that review coming soon for you guys. One of my girlfriends was raving about this, so I wanted to pick it up. It's a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which you guys know is my favorite. This is the Covergirl Trubland Undercover Concealer. Shade I picked up is Light Ivory. This is kind of what that looks like. So I will test this out against my Tarte Shape Tape, kind of let you guys know how I like it, what the differences are, things like that. So that is exciting. My Essence Make Me Eyebrow Gel Mascara, you guys know, is my favorite. I haven't used this in so long. I've been using my Winky Lux Universal Brow Pencil, which I do really like, but this is just so much easier, faster, and I like what it does taming my brows. And guys, I can't open it with my hands being all lotiony, but it's a little spoolie like mascara brush. You just kind of brush into your brows, tames them, kind of glues them together with the gel, and then also it has the color to kind of make everything all in one color. Seriously my favorite. And then another product I always have to have from Essence is the All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder, my favorite. I have been using mine. I've used so many of these up, and this is mine currently. I've used a couple of them up in the past, and you can see I was definitely getting to the depths, so I wanted to have a backup of it. Then I picked up the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. I have tried this in the past, really enjoyed it, so I wanted to have another mascara that at least I knew was gonna work if the Maybelline one didn't. A lot of you guys were raving and recommending me get the NYX Glitter Primer, so I did pick the Glitter Primer up. It says it's good for lips and eyes, so I did pick this up. Hopefully it will make some of those shadows kind of stay on my eyes a little bit longer. And this is what the product actually looks like, so I'm excited to play with this a little bit more. An update though on the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, it is not my favorite. It's a little bit more greasy for me, but I will continue to use it and then use the glitter. Like there's a promo code or something like that. So this is the Lancome Lash Idol Lash Lifting Volumizing Mascara. It gave me a little deluxe size of it. Always very nice to try some deluxe samples of especially mascara. These normally take me about 3 months to use up. Haven't tried this one yet, so I'm excited to give that one a go. And then I think this was a different promo code as well. It was like a bag or something, but looks like it didn't come in a bag. But has my favorite perfume. This is the YSL Black Opium perfume. I love this. I've used a rollerball up of it already this past year, and it is on my Christmas wish list, but I'm excited to have a little perfume guide. Look how cute that is. So that will be super cute sitting on my vanity this year, but really like that perfume. It's one of my favorite, perfect for the winter fall time. Then I got a little guy of the Her Burberry, and this is what that perfume bottle looks like. These are also really good stocking stuffer ideas too, to get this little set. Put a little perfume in the stocking. Then Versace. This is Eros Flame. I don't think I've tried a lot of these scents. I normally just stick with my YSL one, but I am excited to try these out. And that bottle is gorgeous. Then I have Versace Bright Crystal, and I have tried this one before, and I did enjoy it. And that is gorgeous too, the little bottle. These little bottles are so cute. And then the last one is Vince Camuto Illuminaire. And I used to work at Dillard's, and Vince Camuto was one of my favorite brands there. So I'm excited to try this out. And that is what it looks like. So that is everything I got from my Ulta haul. I'm really excited to play with some new eyeliners, concealer, mascaras. I'll update you guys throughout the next couple of weeks, kind of my thoughts on them, review, that kind of stuff. So be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with my thoughts and feelings on these products and anything else new to my collection and that I use up and empties. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm